Hi there, welcome to the review for Learning Target 13. I can write equations for parallel and perpendicular lines. So the very first thing we have to recall is that parallel lines have the same slope. Okay, and perpendicular lines have opposite reciprocal slopes. Okay, so like m up here equals a half, so a parallel line, a slope, would be a half. Down here, if the slope is a half, a perpendicular line would have a slope of, okay, the reciprocal of 1/2 is 2/1, or just 2, and the opposite, so this one's positive, this one's going to be negative, or just -2. Okay, feel free to write that down as you need to. So let's just look at a couple examples of this. So all you have to do is, given y equals -2/3 x plus 4. What is going to be the slope of a line parallel? So a parallel slope and a perpendicular slope. Okay, so hopefully you're saying in your head, okay, parallel slope is going to be the same. So if this is -2/3, my parallel slope is going to be -2/3. All right, the perpendicular slope is the opposite reciprocal. So since this was -2/3, this is going to be +3/2. That's the reciprocal, and we switch the sign. Okay, let's look at another example. So let's say we want a line parallel to y equals 4x minus 2. So a line parallel to that with a b equal to, it looks like AB, with, let's undo that, with a b equal to 8. All right, so looking at this problem, parallel, okay, so I need the slope. The slope of this line is 4. So I want something parallel. Parallel slopes are the same. Okay, and we want our new line to have a b of 8. So we've got y equals 4x plus 8. Okay, similarly, let's say we want a line perpendicular to the same line, y equals 4x minus 2. So we want a line perpendicular to that passes through 1, 2. Okay, so taking a look at that. Perpendicular slopes. Okay, so the slope of this line was 4. So perpendicular slopes are opposite. So if this one's positive, our new one will be negative. Reciprocals, this is 4 over 1. So the reciprocal is 1 over 4. Okay, and it passes through this point. That's my x1, y1. So I have a point and the slope. So let's write it in point slope form. Y minus 2 equals negative 1/4 times x minus 1. Okay, those are like the level 3 questions you're going to get asked on the test. Take a look at it, make sure you bring questions to class, and thanks for watching.